Namaste. Sridhar Namburi, Tapovan. Today we are going to discuss about the subject lighten the lamp. How many thread we can put in the lamp? This kind of topic. First of all, we have to understand the lamp. Indian style lamp is mentioning. It is a symbol of the yogic way of representation of the spiritual enlightenment. This is from Muladhara. The energy is rising the Kundalini to Sahasrara, and it is shining as the Sahasrara, the Paramatma. That is the symbolization of the Nilavilak. The number of thread we have to understand. Egavartar Mahavyadhi Divartistu Mahadhanam Trivartar Moha Malasyam Chadurvartistu Daridrada Panjavartistu Padramsya Duvartistu Shobhanam. This is slogam, hymn of the thread. Actually, we have to understand why talking like this. In the astrological fact is behind this one is the numbers of the thread is. The first is neutral, our Atmasthiti, our own self. Second is the Dhanasthanam, money position. It is good. That's why we can put two thread. One is east and one is west. Our all sadhana is related to sun. So the sun rises in the east and come to west. That's why we are normally putting two. Next count is 5. 4 directions and Ishana corner. Ishana corner is the north and east, the center of the north and east. That is concerning the Shiva, Paramatma, Kailasa, the Parabrahma, the God, ultimate. That is mentioning the fifth one. Actually, the numbers next is 7, 9, 11. These are the counts. We can look in astrology, we can understand. The first is Atmasthiti, second is the Dhanasthanam, third is the Dhairyam Viryanja Durbuddhi Sahodara Parakrama. Third is not a good position. It is related to brother and Rajoguna, the war energy. That's why avoiding this one. Fourth one is, but some system they are following the 3 as the Trimurti, this kind of something they are following. Okay. But normally it is not preferable. Fourth is the Grihasthanam and 4 direction. It is normally not bad in astrology, but the Ishana is important. That's why we have to put 5. Apart from that, the 5 position is the Upasana Bhavam, Sadhana Bhavam, the meditation, the Purva Janmam Punyam, positive energy which we accumulated through the sadhana, which is we accumulating through the sadhana. That is the 5th position. That positive energy, that upasana bhava, sadhana bhava. The meditation is concerning calculating with the 5th position. Meditation power, everything. The 6th is the bad position of the rogam, means diseases, and the losses, means the theft. Everything is concerning the calculating with the 6th position in astrology, negative position. That's why we are not using the 6 threads. The next is 7th. 7th is good because this is the Vivaha Madanaloga, means marriage and love and everything is concerning. Marriage life, everything. It is 7th position. It is good. We can use 7 threads. Next, 8. 8 is not good. 8 is the death position. So negative position, so we will not use 8 threads. 9 is the luck position. We can use the 9 threads. Next is 11. 10 is the karma sana. It is neutral. Karma may be turned to negative or positive. It is neutral. We will not use. Next is the fulfillment of desire. That is the 11 position. It is a great position. Positive, bliss, everything is there. So 11 is the next. Normally for the upasana, we are using this kind of counting in the thread. Don't use bad oils. We can use the sesame oil and ghee. In the astrology, Kerala astrology, Prashnamarga, Deva Prashnaviti, Rishi says, oil is the body, thread is the Atma, Agni, the fire is the lifespan, the time of the life. So we have to use good oil to come out good jwala, the fire, and how to maintain the proper oil level. With breathe out, we don't off the lamp. We can use small stump or something we can use and off the lamp, or we can take some flower and we can off the lamp. Salivas may come. It is not good. Don't keep the lamp on the normal floor. We have to give a seat for deity. For that we can use the banana leaf or a small basin or some pidam, means some seat with wood prepare we can fix, or darbha, the special grass for the puja. We normally use the darbha, barhishi, and flowers. These kind of seeds we have to prepare and fix the lamp. Don't let stop the lamp itself. Totally the smoke and black color, it is not good. So we have to off the lamp. Before off the lamp, we have to take the deity inside. Just imagine the deity is coming to inside through the breath. Then off the lamp. And we have to do the same thing from the prasadas from the temple, the kumkum, the ashes. We just fix here. Then we have to imagine that the energy of the positive energy of the deity is coming to inside. This is waste we can throw out. Many people will keep this in puja room. It is very negative. It is a waste from a temple. But if we are put that waste in some other deity's waste in the main Upasana deity's house in our puja room, it is not good. You fix the lamp the right side of the kitchen, that place, or just opposite of the west side of the hall, we can keep as per the Vastu. Many people have the doubt in the below the staircase, can I fix the lamp? If you don't have space, you can fix there. If you have enough space, you can keep some other places, because it is very congested. It is not good for the sadhana. The morning and evening, before the time of evening, we have to lighten the lamp. When we on the lamp, the Omkara is producing. That is the correct sound of Omkara when burn the lamp, the fire. Why we started this worship? The Agni is the life force, prana. It is hot. The death is cold. The ghost energies and black energies are cold. But the Devi and this kind of positive energy is hot. That's why this positive energy of the fire can remove all kind of black negative energies from our psychological level, subconscious level. In the Muladhara, it is working as the life force that is hot. Swadhisthana, it is the energy of sex, hot, that is also mentioning as hot. That is the creation, the energy of the creation. That is Brahma, that is hot. Manipura, it is also hot because of the digestion process by the hot acids are working there, chemical reactions through that way, that through that hot the digestion process is happening. In the heart, it is Vishnu, it is the energy of love, the heart of love, normally we will say. The heart of the heart, love, that is Vishnu. That is Vyaram in astrology is the mentioning as the money. So Vyaram is Vishnu. How we can maintain our body with the food. How the food will come through money. So how the money will come? We will join and love and work. If we are enemies, we cannot earn money. So Sthiti is Vishnu, it is in heart. Everything is Pranashakti, Parashakti. So come to Vishuddhi, it is the fire of the words. It is coming from the thought. Because of the lines of the main calf, this much of line killed these lakhs of people. Mentioning on the main calf, the autobiography of Hitler. So the words are hot, fire. In Ajna, it is also fire of the Rudran. The willpower, everything is Ajna, it is hot. When the Kundalini will come to Ajna, normally some people feel the very hot in this area. We have to do some other meditations then and correct the Kundalini. So it is very important. In Sahasrara, the enlightenment, that is ultimate, that is ultimate bliss, that is also fire. When mankind found the effective use of fire, that is the starting of our all this development. The starting of the human development is by the understanding of the special use of the fire. We can do the sadhana with the fire. That is very effective. The Agni is death. In the Brahmin's child, when he do the Upanayana, the Acharya will say Agni or Acharya. Your Acharya, your Guru is Agni. Because death can teach everything, all spirituality. The talk with the death, that is Kathopanishad. So this Vaishyanara Vidya, it is very important. It is Vaidika. That's why the Vaidikas are doing Homa, Yajna, Homa with Agni. For the easiness of the handling the Agni, normally we started to use the lamps. So by the proper way of the use of the lamp, we can understand the hidden secret of the Prana Shakti, the universe. In temples, you can see, especially in big temples, you can see some, in a particular area, you can see the lamp is always on. That is Vanni Mandala, the Manipura Chakra of the deity. The temple creator, like a person, is lay down like this. Both legs are the temple arch, Gopuram. From come to Muladhara, there is the Stambha is there. Then here is the Swadhisthana is the belly stone. Next is the Manipura is the Agni, Vanni Mandalam. That is the lamp which is located always own the lamp. May Devi bless everybody to develop in your spiritual meditation path. Srimatre.